So before I show you your assignment, let me show you how to use the place value blocks one more time. So after you write the total amount under each coin, you are going to count by tens, count by ones, and then you're going to use your blocks. You will draw them. So there's 10, 20, 30, because each dime is a 10. Each long is a 10. Now the ones, the pennies, are units. Each of these is worth 1. Now look at the tens that you have here. How many 10 longs do you have? 3. How many units do you have? 4. How much money do you have? 34 cents. How easy was that? 34 is how much money? 3 dimes and 4 pennies. Now let's go look at your assignment. So same kind of activity, different amounts of money. You're going to write the total under the coins first, then draw the base 10 blocks to find the total value of the coins. Same thing with this one. Write the total under each coin. Count on by tens, count on by ones, and then you're going to draw the place value blocks and write how much in all. Then when you're finished, you will go to Extra Math for 10 minutes, iStation for 10 minutes, and then you have your your money videos, or you can practice your counting by 5s, your counting by 10s, or your counting by 2s. What did you learn today? Well, we remembered that a cent is an amount of money that's less than $1. We remembered that a penny is copper. It's worth 1 cent, and it has Abraham Lincoln on the front. We remembered that a dime has Franklin D. Roosevelt on the front. It is silver colored. It is smaller than the other coins, but it is worth 10 cents. We learned that a collection is a group of like or unlike objects like these, marbles, books, and cars. And that the value is how much something is worth in money. For example, 25 cents. Something is worth 25 cents, $3.99. Or 4 pennies is worth 4 cents. Then we learned how to use our place value blocks to count our coins. A dime is worth 10 cents, and so is a long. A long is worth 10. A penny is worth 1 cent, and a unit is worth 1. So we used our longs and our units to count our dimes and pennies. Now, after you finish your assignment, you're going to save it and turn it in to your teacher. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.